I was a Roman soldier, disciplined, brutal, loyal to the empire. I had witnessed hundreds of crucifixions, each one bloody, cruel, and forgettable. But there was one I could never forget. The day we crucified a man named Jesus. And what I saw that day changed me forever. It was early morning when we received the orders. 3 executions scheduled, 2 thieves and a man called Jesus of Nazareth. The name meant little to me then, just another rebel stirring trouble in Jerusalem. But the priests, oh, they were furious, said he called himself the Son of God. Blasphemy, they claimed. Dangerous talk. The crowd wanted blood. I didn't ask questions. Orders were orders. We gathered the materials: crosses, nails, ropes, spears. Another day. Another execution. Or so I thought. Jesus had been beaten, nearly to death. His face was swollen. Blood covered his robes. He carried his cross through the crowded streets. People shouted, cursed, but some wept. Women cried as he stumbled. A man from Cyrene was forced to help carry his cross. He didn't resist. I looked at Jesus. He wasn't angry, wasn't afraid. He looked calm, peaceful, as if he knew something we didn't. That unsettled me. At Golgotha, we laid the crosses on the ground. The other 2 screamed, begged, cursed, but Jesus, he was silent. He looked at me right into my eyes as we nailed him to the wood. No hatred, no fear, just sorrow. When the cross stood tall, I expected him to curse us, to cry out for mercy. But he said something I never expected. Father, forgive them. They know not what they do. Forgive? We were killing him. Why would he forgive us? I looked at him confused, maybe even ashamed. Around noon, the sky turned dark. Not a cloud. Complete darkness, like night had fallen in the middle of the day. The crowd grew quiet. Even the other soldiers looked around unnerved. Thunder rumbled, and the earth began to tremble beneath our feet. People screamed, some ran. I gripped my spear tightly. This was no ordinary death. After hours of agony, Jesus cried out, my God, why have you forsaken me?" Then, "It is finished." He bowed his head and breathed his last, and in that moment, the earth shook violently. Rocks split. The temple curtain tore in 2. I fell to my knees, and the words escaped my mouth before I could stop them. Truly, this man was the Son of God. I couldn't sleep that night. The sound of the hammer, the look in his eyes, his words echoing in my mind. Forgive them. I had killed many men, but none like him. None who forgave. None who loved their enemies. The next day, rumors spread. The tomb was empty. His followers said he rose from the dead, and part of me believed it. I was a Roman soldier. I thought I knew power. I thought I knew control. But on that day, I saw true strength. Not in force, but in forgiveness. Not in hatred, but in love. I crucified him, but he changed my heart. This is my testimony. This is the truth. If this story moved you, share it. Let the world hear the truth of what happened that day. Subscribe to Holy Bible Stories for more powerful moments from Scripture. And remember, no one is beyond redemption, not even a Roman soldier. God bless you.